Hey everyone, I'm in the Huawei store in Shanghai. It's actually pretty close to my where I'm staying at the moment. This is the new Huawei Pura X. So I'll get my colleague and friend to demo for me. That's the demo version. Here you are. You can see it's slightly wider than your regular flip phone. Here you go. You get a full screen. And you get all these emojis and so on. So that's pretty good. So welcome back. We're going to try and check the cameras out in this busy shopping mall. So you can see it looks pretty good. You can see how crowded it is in here. So my colleague and friend is going to flip it over to the right hand side, make a landscape. And it's not bad. And there's a timer. There you go, and that's the camera. There you go. I've got to say thank you to my friend and colleague to do this for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Back again, and now we're going to just compare it to the Huawei Pocket 2 and the new Pura X. Just can you open it up for me? As you can see here, if you open it up, it's a bit more wider versus the other one's a lot more higher and thinner. So this kind of looks more like a 7-inch tablet, as you can see. So we fold it back up again. You can see that it's slightly different. You've got all that too. There you go, and this is the latest Pura X from Huawei. And the prices are here. There you are. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you all when I get back to England.